Abakunzi ba Ore Global TV nongeye kubasuhuza kugira amahoro. Uyu munsi ni Midi Summer. Uyu munsi muri Sweden abantu barishimye, abantu bameze neza. Midi Summer ngira ngo muri kumva icyo ari cyo, tugeze hagati na hagati muri summer. Rero barabyizihiza, bari umunsi ukomeye cyane. Abantu bamwe baba bari mu ngo zabo, abandi baba basohotse, baba bagiye gutuwaringa, baba bagiye hanze ya Stockholm, abandi muraza kubabona mu mazi bagiye mu bwato. Bimeze neza cyane. Rero turatangirira aha ngaha nk'uko muri kubibona hano ku ngoro y'ubwami, muri kuhabona. Reka manze mabereke, naho turaza kuhagera buriya. Hanyuma hariya muri korane kuri parliament ya Sweden, ibyo byose turaza kunyura tugiye experience. Turava aha ngaha rero twerekera aha ngaha tugiye gufatira iyi modoka. Ikora nk'imodoka ikanakora nk'ubwato, ngira ngo muraza kuyibona. Uyu munsi ndizera yuko turi bwishime, ndizera yuko muri bugire experience nziza cyane. Uyu munsi turaza kunezerwa, muraza kubona ibintu, dusobanukirwa amateka menshi cyane. Tugiye kuba turi kumwe n'abatuwa guide bagenda badutembereza muri uyu mujyi wa Stockholm, ndetse mutembere duciye mu mazi, ariko tunabutembere duciye mu buryo bwo ku butaka, kuko nabibabwiye imodoka dufite aha ngaha cyangwa se ubwato dufite hano bukora mu mazi, bugakora no ku butaka. Ni experience nziza by the way.
Yes, so in the simplest way, this is a normal Volvo or Mercedes truck. It's pretty simple, but of course, as you can notice, we've made a couple of modifications to it. Now it's an aquatic bus that goes down in the water as well. In the back here, you can see our little propeller that's gonna push us forward when we are in the water. So you have that, and then you also have this lovely little rudder here that pushes us forward. For safety reasons, of course, this is a boat as well, so we have safety rafts and stuff like that, as well as a life vest and many other things on board this. You will find that this behaves very differently than a bus would. It's not as stable on land, but it's still a very stable vehicle. It's a very fun experience in all regards. And then when we go down in the water, because it's a ramp that we go down, we have to go in quite fast. So we do it in about 30 to 40 kilometers an hour. And that gives quite a pushback, which makes it fun. If you're wondering if you get splashed or anything when you go down in the water, it depends on where you sit. But usually not. It's not a big problem at all.
You're a little bit excited for the 3 o'clock tour. We have great high place here at the front. Okay, so my colleague is just going to check your tickets, and then I will see you.
Kugira ngo muri kubibona aha ngaha rero turagenda tureba, bagiye kuducekingira amatiketi. Muri kubibona aha ngaha, ubutaha namwe ni muza, dore ibiciro ngibi. Amasek 360, ubwo ni amayero 32, 20, 290 amaseke ku mwana, 25 amayero. Nk'uko muri kubibona rero yanabisobanuye, tugiye kugenda hari abacekinga kuri tickets.
So it's 360 crowns, which is about 32 euros. And then for children, it's 290 crowns, which is about 26 euros. Yes, for an hour. So it's 30 minutes on land and 30 minutes in the water with a live guide as well. So it's also with a live guide who gives you music, talks about the history of Stockholm, as well as teaches you about all the history that this lovely nation has been through. I mean, it's 800 years of history, and we'll tell you a lot about that. Hope you enjoy it.
Tack så mycket.
ocean bus. The first and only amphibious company in Scandinavia for a reason. Hello everybody,
Hello.
my name is Isa and I will be your tour guide today during this approximately 3-hour long journey. It's 60 minutes when we're back safe and sound hopefully. You guys are actually seeing a pretty heavy ride named Ian. He weighs 10 tons without any passengers. He is 3.5 meters tall on land and 2.5 meters in the water. Vi sitter alltså i en ganska tung kärra som heter Ian. Ian väger 10 ton utan passagerare. Han är 3,5 meter hög över land och 2,5 meter i vattnet, alltså stor. What will be even more fun than looking at my beautiful face? We'll be looking at people's expressions as we pass by. They look at us almost as if there was a really long. Now, we're driving up onto Birger Jarlsgatan. Jan was the founder of Stockholm in 1252. But now, this has turned into high fashion streets. It has all the brands you can think of. The Prada, Chanel, the Burberry, the Mulberry, the Strawberry, the Blackberry. All kinds of berries you can find here. I don't know anything about that, but what I do know is that we are almost at Stureplan. It's open 365 days a year and has been here since 1897. And in the 1920s, two guys actually met here during a crayfish party. And after making some schnapps, they decided, let's make a car together. So anybody want to guess what kind of car that could have been? It's a Swedish one. Volvo, that's right. And this is why Volvo treats their employees to a crayfish party every single year to celebrate this moment. And it is actually law in Stockholm that 90% of the population needs to have none other, not more than 300 meters for green park or area. This is why 40% of Stockholm is green parks and areas. Three of them. I want everybody to do it. You put your hands up, you start turning it. Like you're churning butter in the ceiling, okay? Because you do it in clouds for them.
take you down into the water. I just want to tell you something. Almost the same experience exists in New York also. They go with their like ocean bus in down to the Hudson River. They go out on a nicely built ramp that has an elevator, elevates them down into the water slowly, nicely, and then they continue very slowly, nicely in the water. It's perfect. I love it. It's the best. It's American safety. It's how it should be. However, the owners of this company didn't want to invest in that kind of expensive ramp, so they decided to build their own. And they hired Isa to design it. And she is not really an engineer. She's something else. She's something else. The ramp over there is rusty. It has big problems, boulders and rocks under the surface. I can't see it. So sometimes when I go down, it goes like a bit like this. That I have to handle, and you also. But you can be very happy having me as your captain, because I'm the captain in the company with the best score.
Are you guys ready to go into the water?
Yes!
So much better. Okay, I'm gonna count down. 3, 2,
bigiye kubaho turagize Uwiteka bagiye mu mazi buri wese agira inyungu ye ariko koza
we did it, everybody! Woo! Only one missing. Perfect score. Now I would like to play a little song that is dedicated to the captain. It's called the Drunken
aya mazi aradusangamo imbere
touring since 1979, singing
buriya bwato bwo babutwara bari kunyonga, aba ni abanyonzi.
that was the song as well.
Tugarutse ku butaka.
Now he has 4 of 4. Okay, now I would like to do something tonight. When we wake up in the morning, where we recover and we look at ourselves in the bathroom mirror. Now we're going to try to ask the woman, everybody that's taking that is going to be proud of woman, which is really popular place. So, to the next of the way, we have a statue of
murakoze cyane rero twatembereye ngira ngo mwabonye ko twatangira aha ngaha ni naho dusoreje. Reka dukomeze, twagize experience nziza, twatembereye umujyi, twatembereye mu mazi, twatembereye ahantu hose n'imodoka mureba. Thank you so much. Yeah, we really appreciate. Yeah, we enjoy. Yeah, I'm very happy.
Where you come from?
From Rwanda.
Rwanda?
Yeah, you know Rwanda?
I've been in Kigali.
In Kigali. My capital.
Yeah.
Yeah, he knows Rwanda guys.
I was working in Kuba in
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Yeah, very happy. It was very nice experience. buryoshye. Ubu noneho tugiye kurya, kamanze n'icana mfata akantu ko kurya tuganire mumbwire uko byagenze. Ariko by the way hano ndimo ndabona ikigirwamana hejuru y'ibiryo ngiye kurya, nizere yuko atari Buda, nizere ko nagiye kurya ibiryo bamaze gutura Buda. Iyi resitora ngiyemo ishobora kuba ari nk'iy'abantu muri Thailand cyangwa se biriya bice byo muri Aziya, ariko reka turebe, reka nizere, ndabisengera Imana iraza kubyeza. Reka turebe, reka tubwire noneho ifi iri aha ngaha, niba ndi burye iki, niba ndi burye sinshiduka nariye bya biryo byabo by'amasiya food byabo bitemewe. Biragoye guhitamo, wenda aha ngaho birashoboka byakunda, ariko noneho aha ngaha hari ibintu bifite imirizo, kugira ngo muri kubibona bifite imirizo, ariko sinzi ngo ni ibiki ibintu by'imirizo nk'uko kabyara mu burabe byo nkasanga noneho, kandi uburyo kaba gasa neza ushobora akareba ukagira ngo rebe hano handitseho ngo ni sinkizi rwose kare. Aha ngaha shikiringi ho ndabibona ko ari inkoko shikiringi. Ibindi bintu noneho n'ababeshyi ahantu ushobora kuza kuhaserera, rero none kiriya gifite intoki, hari n'ikintu gifite intoki umukecuru, hari ikintu gifite injaba eshanu kimeze nk'ikiganza, wagira ngo ni nk'akaganza k'uruhinja rwose. Sinzi, reka turebe cya kigirwamana nababwiraga. Iyi resitora rwose ngiye kuriramo nk'uko kabyara muri kamanze, kubanza umuntu agasenga akamenya yuko ibyo agiye kurya batabituye kurya, ubundi twaza kwisanga byabaye ibindi bindi. Come.
Tillsammans?
Ska betala, ja. Tillsammans. Så. Hur mycket? 500. Bra?
Din kode.
Kwishyura aha ngaha imirire, ndandebera agakode. Bra? Om du behöver inte. Ja, tack så mycket. Oh, sorry. Mwakoze cyane, ndabashimiye, mugire umugoroba mwiza. Ubwo ngubwo icyo navuga ni naho utaha.